hens do not live as long as human beings. Hens can live as long as 20 years, but the average age, unfortunately, is between 5 and 10 years. In this lesson, we're going to be applying properties of multiplication to rational numbers in a real-world situation. Let's say we own 80 shares of stock, or you own 80 shares of stock. And this is what happened during the week. First day, the stock went up 1/4 of a point. The next day, the stock went down 3/4 of a point. The next day, the stock went up 1/2. Thursday, the stock went up 2 points. And Friday, the stock went down 1/8 of a point. What happened to your earnings? You have 80 shares of stock. Well, you would multiply 80 times each of these numbers, or you could add all these numbers together and then multiply by 80. You can use the distributive property. Because these numbers don't easily add together, I would do the distributive property. 80 times 1/4 is 20, minus 80 times 3/4 is 60, minus 60. 80 times 1/2 is 40. 80 times 2 is 160. And 80 times negative 1/8 is negative 10. Are there any numbers that are opposites? No. But there are numbers that we could group together easily. So we're going to use those numbers to associate. 60 plus 160 is 200. 20 plus negative 10 is 10 minus 60. Now all we have to do is say 10 minus 60, which would be negative 50, plus 200. And if we added them together, we get 150. This 150 stands for how much money in dollars that you earned during a week if you had 80 shares of stock. And this is what happened.